Hello everyone, welcome back to the 101 library. In today's video, we will be focusing on a great feature in Solid Edge, the hole tool. So let's get started. I have this part here that's basically a simple box where I wish to add some holes for some screws. To do so, I can use the holes feature. Click on the hole feature, and the first step is to select a plane to sketch on for your holes. In this case, I'll choose this face, and this will open the sketch editor where I can draw and locate my holes. In this case, I'll have my hole centered on this part. Once your hole is located, you can close the sketch, and this will open the hole dialog box. Here, click on Options, and this will open the hole options editor. Here, you can choose your hole standard type, subtype, size, fit, and a lot more. For instance, you can switch between the ANSI, inch, metric, or others. You can also choose your subtype to be drill size, general screw clearance hole, or dwell. I'll choose a general screw clearance. Also, you can choose your hole size. For instance, if you want your hole to work for number 8 screw, you could choose that. And you can choose your fit. You can choose between close, nominal, or loose. I'll keep it at nominal. You could also choose your hole type. For instance, if you want a countersunk screw, you can click on the countersunk feature, and this will update and give you all the options you need to fill for a countersunk screw. You could also choose a counterbore or any of the other options. I'll default back to just a simple hole. I'll choose my screw back to number 8 screw, and my subtype to clearance, and I'll keep my fit at normal. Also, you can choose your hole extent. The default option is through next. You could also choose a finite extent or a through all. This will show you your hole diameter over here. You could also choose to change that, but the default will be the standard hole diameter for the options you selected. Also, you can choose to add chamfers. You can choose to start with a chamfer or end with a chamfer. I'll skip for now. Once all your details are chosen, simply click on OK and your hole is created. This is a very powerful feature that can be used to create all your holes in Solid Edge. This will also ensure that your holes are sized properly for all screw types that you want to use. All you need to do is to choose the right screw type and fill the information correctly. And that's it. That's how you use the hole feature in Solid Edge. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Solid Edge tutorials. See you next time.